Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to turn off upload media at the highest quality in Instagram on Android. Uploading media at the highest quality can be useful if you want your photos and videos to look their best. However, it can also take up a lot of storage space on your device and use up more data when uploading. If you want to conserve space and data, you can easily turn off this feature using the steps outlined in this video. To get started, open the Instagram app on your Android device. Tap on your profile picture icon from the options below. Next, tap on the three stacked lines in the upper right corner to open a menu. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy. It is usually the first option. Scroll down to Your Account and Media and tap on it. Scroll down to find Media Upload Quality in the Your App and Media Quality section. If Upload at highest quality is turned on, tap on it to turn it off. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can easily turn off upload media at the highest quality in Instagram on Android. This can help you save storage space on your device and reduce data usage when uploading media to the platform. It's worth noting that if you turn off this feature, your photos and videos may not look as sharp as they would if you uploaded them at the highest quality. However, if conserving space and data is more important to you, then this is a good option to consider. In conclusion, Instagram's upload media at highest quality feature can be useful if you want your photos and videos to look their best. However, if you want to conserve space and data, simply follow the steps outlined in this video to turn off this feature. We hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful content like this. Thank you for watching.